I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Notes app and checking Recently Deleted. You do this because deleted items stay there for up to 30 days. Once done, make sure your device is signed into the correct Apple ID and that Notes is enabled in iCloud settings, since syncing restores missing content. Then, use the search bar and folder list to check archived or moved notes. This quickly rules out simple misplacement before deeper recovery steps. You should now try restoring from iCloud. Sign into iCloud. Comb and inspect the notes and trash folders because web access can reveal items not visible on the device. Once done, consider restoring a device backup. Use settings to check for recent backups or connect to Finder/iTunes for a manual restore, which recovers the Notes database at the backup date. Make sure to note backup dates so you don't overwrite newer data you need to keep. Finally, after recovery, export or duplicate recovered notes to iCloud or another secure location so you have a fresh copy. You do this to prevent repeat loss. Once done, enable automatic iCloud notes sync and consider frequent device backups, since consistent backups eliminate complex restores. If notes remain missing, contact Apple support and provide device diagnostics and backup timestamps. This helps technicians target server or account issues and gives you a clear next step if automatic methods fail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.